Hello and welcome to the Void XRC video. Thanks for tuning in. So today I'll be doing an unboxing of a 1/16 scale excavator. This was sent out to me by rcmoment for the purposes of doing a video. Just want to put that out there. Now obviously the excavator is currently not inside. The only reason for that is the styrofoam was a big pain to get in and out of the box. So I've already taken everything out. Let's just have a quick look at the box first. It does have the instructions for it right on the box, as you can see here. There's not too much else on the box really. So let's just get rid of that and have a look at everything we've gotten. So we get the remote, battery, USB charger, and the excavator itself. Let's have a look at it. So it's a plastic body with metal parts. Like the bucket is metal here. The dozer part here is metal. Yeah, that's plastic there. This is all plastic on the back. The treads are rubber. Fairly loose fitting treads as you can see, but they seem to work pretty well. So you've got the battery compartment down here. Let's just go ahead and install the battery. It is a 6-volt NiCad battery, as you can see here. The battery is nice and easy to get in. Alright, well let's turn this thing on. One sec before I do that, I just want to point out there's 2 double A's for the remote. And I noticed I really needed to use a little retaining screw, otherwise this door just falls right off. So just keep that in mind. Let's turn on the radio. And turn on the excavator. And so now we're good to go. We can lift the arm. We can rotate it. We can lift the dozer blade or lower it. So as you can see, it moves quite well. Though there is one downside to this particular excavator. There is a couple different versions, and on this one you can't independently control the different parts of the whole bucket arm. You just have 2 buttons, one to go in one direction and one to go in the other direction. Now there is another version of this that you can independently control each part. I'll put a link to that one in the description too. However, on this one you can't do that. However, I think this could still be some great fun for construction, and in the future I may end up modifying this to have... lost my words there. I may end up modifying it so you can control each part independently. That would be a fun project. So what I'm going to do now is it's too cold and wet and snowy outside for me to go outside with this, but I believe in the garage I do have a bucket of some clay dirt mixture, so I'm going to bring that in and put it out on a big piece of rubber, and we'll do a little digging with that. Let me just get up and I'll see you guys in a second. One thing I forgot, it's sort of a very annoying feature. Let me just show you here. So this does come with lights and everything. I was like, oh, that's sweet. But it does come with sounds, and they are not very good sounds in my opinion. Let me just hit this button and you guys can see. That sounds absolutely horrible. Yeah, I cannot stand that. So I probably will go in there and disconnect the little speaker because I can't stand that sound, but I would like to have the lights. You do have one LED right there, and then there's one in the cab that sort of flashes colors. I wouldn't mind having that LED come on, but with that music that it plays, that is horrible. Alright, now I'm just going to get set up and I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, as you can see, I've got some nice loose dirt here. Let's see what this thing can do. As you can see, the digging arm does not have very much power, and as soon as there's a little bit of resistance, the motor just starts skipping. So I'm definitely a little bit disappointed. Managed to get a little bit in the bucket though. So as you can see, you can do a little bit of light digging, but it really doesn't work too well. I guess if you were digging in sand, it would probably work a little bit better. I don't have any sand to test it with though. It's also very easy to get caught up on something and get high centered. It's definitely a little bit disappointing in its lack of digging power. Well, I hope that gave you a good understanding of the capabilities of this little excavator. I know the capabilities are not very much for it, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.